What's up, guys? It is number 8, episode 8 of Kreate It Yourself. So excited to have you here. Alright, last episode we were working on getting the walls painted. Now we're working on the floors. Alright, so let's go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, so we're getting our flooring. We're taking out the floors today, so we're getting rid of that old looking floor right there. Yeah, we're getting rid of got some new stuff coming in. From Amazon. Shout out to Amazon if you want to sponsor this next video. Let's see. Look who it is right there. My beautiful wife. Say hey, babe.
Hey.
Looking super cute as always. This is our new TV stand. And these are the floors right here that we're going to be taking up. Let me show you what we're going to be taking up. Here's what it looks like underneath. Just bare concrete. But the funny thing is there's actually paw prints already, and we don't have a dog or a cat. So that's the funny part. We have our refrigerator put in, stove, sink. This is where it's gonna be. I think we're actually gonna move this over just a little bit, like my finger like that. We're gonna move it over just a tad, and we're gonna move this over just a tad so that it kind of looks more symmetrical. And also, we're going to, for the floors, like this area right here, and once we pull up all the all this tile today, we're actually going to write like scriptures on the floor. So comment down below, what's your favorite scripture? What is your favorite scripture? We're gonna put some scriptures on this floor, maybe underneath the mats or whatever. But just to remind us just how far the Lord has brought us. And so this is our TV stand. It's pretty good. Where did we get this from, babe?
Walmart.
Got it from Walmart. Shout out to Walmart if you want to sponsor the next video. We're gonna put our couch about right here. Okay, it's gonna go about right here. A papasan chair. If you don't know what a papasan chair is, Google it. Probably about right there or a little bit closer. Our kitchen table will go about right here in this area right here. And of course, that's our restroom. And back there will be our washer and dryer. We'll get those in pretty soon. But otherwise, it's coming together. Ooh, who's that lady? First of all, shout out to my wife. She's very handy, literally. Drill. This is our new rug that we just got. My wife picked it out. She did a good job. What else? Oh, I gotta show you guys this. This is our new bed. What do you guys think? We're going with this color. It's kind of like a metallic color. Maybe the camera's not doing it justice, but I feel like it goes so good with that blue. Do you like the color? Comment down below if you like the way that looks with the kind of the dark metal look with that color blue. It looks so good. The flooring, we're still trying to decide if we're going to take this up. What do you think? You think we should take this flooring up or leave it just for a bit? Comment down below what you think. And we're back. So that's the updates of what's happening. We're super excited. We'll probably get our couch put in here pretty soon. We'll get our washer and dryer put over there. And oh yeah, the plumbing's already done. So now, oh, I gotta show you the back. My wife is laughing because she knows how my mind works. It needs cleaning, so don't judge us. This is our shower. Got our sink. Still need a mirror. Bathroom. Water heater, of course. Floors, we'll probably clean this out, put some scriptures on it, on the floor. But otherwise, it's looking good. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notifications every time a new episode comes out every Friday for Kreate It Yourself. Alright guys, talk to you later and we'll see you next time.